morning, everyone. My name is Emmanuel from grade 6 RA at KB School. Now I am presenting about science and its importance. What is science? The systematic study of the of the natural world through observation and experiments is known as science. Science are divided into two branches: physical science, life science. Physical science, study of the non-living things. Life science, study of the living things. Physical science are divided into three branches: physics, chemistry, geology. Physics, study of the matter and energy and interactions. Chemistry, study of the composition and of matter. Geology, study of the planet. Earth. Life science. Life science are divided into two branches: botany, zoology.